Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to generate leads through YouTube. So you are on YouTube right now, so congratulations, that's the first step. Now, what can you do to rank your videos better on YouTube? I'm going to show that to you step by step. Now, keep in mind that, the interface I'm going to show you, it might be changed by the time you're watching the video, but the actual concept is pretty much the same and will stay the same pretty much forever. So first of all, what you need to be doing is to generate some leads through YouTube, you need to make videos like these, right? Now you can make videos like these through Loom, Camtasia, and things like that. So make a video of yourself using your iPhone, whatever you have, okay? Make sure to focus on sound, right?
Yes.
Sound, what else?
Sound, lighting.
Lighting, he's my YouTube guy right here. Lighting.
Yeah, and just make sure the background's not crowded.
Crowded. So that's it. So make sure you have those things on your video. Now, when you are making the video, make sure to yell out your keyword, your main keyword multiple times. Like for example, this is a lead generation video. So I'm going to yell out lead generation, lead generation, lead generation, lead generation, like multiple times throughout the video. That really helps with YouTube algorithms. Okay. Now, once you go ahead and do that, that's amazing. Now, if you need help with coming up with trending ideas, you got two options that I really love, okay? The first one is called the Google Trend, okay? All you need to do is go up here, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my nifty keyboard, right? I'm gonna go ahead and type up a keyword. So a keyword could be, let's see, work from home. Let's see, work from, that's a keyword right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and search it up and it's gonna give me some results. I can do the entire US or I can just do, the world. It's up to me. Now I scroll down and what I do is at the bottom on the right, look right here. It says, I think I should have turned on my lights. I forgot to do that, but that's fine. On the right, you see work from home, coronavirus. All these things, okay? All these are things that people are searching right now on YouTube, Google, and all these other sites. So what you need to do is use those keywords, okay? Find out what's happening, what's trending, and create a video on those topics if you want your videos to get more traffic, naturally. Now, you can also go to a website called explodingtopics.com. This website is amazing. It'll give you some ideas. Same thing as Google Trends, but it gives you, so here you gotta type up a keyword, right? Here it'll give you some ideas. You just gotta go ahead and keep looking. It doesn't always work, but it's a very useful tool that I use for my videos, okay? Now let's move on to YouTube. So on YouTube, couple of things to make sure you rank your videos nice and good, okay? The first of all, make sure your cover, it's clean. It should be clean. Now, I'm gonna share some tips with you guys right now. So first of all, let's see. So see the background of this cover art, it's like, very kind of solid color. It really makes it look professional, so do that as well. Make sure to have your text, make sure to have your photo, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to get too creative, but you need to make sure that it looks good. Make sure to actually create this cover art from using Photoshop or editing software like GIMP for free. Now, I don't recommend making these, cartoony looking things. That's number one. And also don't just take a screenshot of the video and put it on as a cover. Don't do that, okay? Now let's move on. Make sure your main keyword is on the title and make sure to write a lot here. So what I really recommend you guys do is also transcribe your videos and put it here in the description. It really helps as well. Also go ahead and add hashtags. Okay, hashtags, and also make sure to put in your social media follow handles and all that stuff as well. Now, my video is only 5 minutes on this one. So what I recommend you do is make a video that's under 10 minutes, so it's like bite size, okay? And that really drives more traffic because when people are looking for a video to watch, they want something simple, easy that they can just learn in just 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Does that make sense? Simple as that. So that's how you can rank your videos on YouTube. Now, lead generation. So make sure to put whatever you're selling, offering, your lead magnet, all of that on the description. And also go ahead and comment on the first video, make the first comment on your video and highlight it and pin it, okay? And that link can go out to your lead magnet or your sales page, whatever you're offering. Do that and see if it helps, because I think you will have great results. Using YouTube for lead generation for me has been a blessing, and I think it can be for you as well. So go at it and take care. And make sure to check out my book, Lead Generation, Evil Salesman. Thank you so much, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more tips for lead generation right here. Thank you so much.